Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Hey guys, how are you doing? Hey guys, welcome to our Thursday stream. Hey guys! Hey guys, welcome to the 666 celebration stream. I want to thank everyone that has been in my stream and that has supported me throughout the 666 followers we're celebrating today. I put together a small video. Let's take you down to memory lane. We've had a lot of demotivational quotes. Quote of today. Our motivational quote of today. The only thing standing between you and your goal is the bullshit story you keep telling yourself. We've had a lot of dancing. You know what I can do?
Welcome back.
Dance. We had a little bit of singing. A gaping hole. Try again. A gaping hole where once was a belly, once was a belly, once. And we all know that I can say the most stupid things. A pickle is neither early nor late. A pickle arrives precisely when a pickle intends to. Yes, he does. Pickle is king of the coming whenever we want. Chicken wraps are ready, I'll be back. And I'll be Mozart for you. I've got quite a big trunk. I'm eating a pickle. There's wood in my box. He likes you. Ah, finally somebody who likes me. Nice. And he wants to eat me. There were tons of scary moments, funny faces, and jump scares. Not a game I'd play when alone in the house. Ah! No? Ah! And sometimes I can make pretty weird noises. Ah! Ooh! Ah! Ooh! Ooh! Ooh!
Yes, you're under me.
Sorry. But we've had the most unforgettable moments. I don't want to fall down.
This game is called Human Fall Flat.
It's just pushing us towards that same point over and over again. Is there like a magnet? Is there a magnet at this island?
I think there is. It's we're in the Bermuda Triangle.
I think so. Is the anchor still down?
I don't know. Really? Really?
We got a fire.
We got a fire!
We got a fire!
No!
We got a fire! We got a
Get the It's like... It's a me, Mario!
Oui, oui.
Wish I still had my baguette. Every video needs their Hollywood bang. Hollywood bang! Bang! Care! Should we ah! But the question remains. Can you dig it? And the most important part is that you guys were there and saw it all happen. I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. Let's get going with the 666 celebration stream.